Rock climbing is an exhilarating and challenging outdoor activity that requires both physical strength and mental focus. With proper training and the right equipment, you can safely enjoy the thrill of scaling mountains and cliffs. In this guide, we will walk you through the basics of rock climbing with a safety rope and provide step-by-step instructions on how to use a climbing harness and progress from simple to more complex climbing techniques. 1. Safety first. Before you start climbing, always check your equipment for any signs of wear or damage. This includes your climbing rope, harness, carabiners, and helmet. Make sure you have a reliable climbing partner who understands the safety protocols and can assist you if needed. Familiarize yourself with the climbing area and any potential hazards, such as loose rocks or unstable terrain. 2. Using a climbing harness. Put on your climbing harness by stepping into the leg loops and pulling it up to your waist. Make sure the waist belt is snug but not overly tight. Adjust the leg loops so they fit comfortably around your thighs. Double-check that all buckles and straps are securely fastened and tightened. Attach a locking carabiner to the belay loop on the front of your harness. This will serve as the connection point for the climbing rope. 3. Basic climbing techniques. Start with easy climbs on well-protected routes. Look for routes that have bolts or anchors already in place for attaching your safety rope. Begin by practicing footwork and handholds on lower sections of the route. Use your legs to push yourself up, while maintaining a firm grip with your hands. As you ascend, keep your body close to the rock, distributing your weight evenly between your feet and hands. Use your climbing rope to create a top rope setup, where the rope is anchored at the top of the climb and passes through a carabiner attached to your harness. This setup provides a safety backup in case you slip or fall. 4. Progressing to more complex climbs. Once you feel comfortable with basic climbing techniques, you can start attempting more challenging routes. Learn how to lead climb, where you place your own protection as you ascend. Practice lead climbing with an experienced partner who can provide guidance and support. As you gain experience, you can explore different types of climbing, such as trad climbing using removable protection like cams and nuts, or sport climbing routes with pre-placed bolts for protection. Remember, rock climbing is a physically demanding activity that requires proper training and experience. Always prioritize safety, follow established climbing guidelines, and seek professional instruction if you are new to the sport. With dedication and practice, you can master the art of rock climbing and enjoy the breathtaking views and sense of achievement that comes with conquering new heights. As we come to the end of this mountain climbing tutorial video, I would like to say goodbye and wish you all the best in your future mountaineering endeavors. So, go forth with confidence, embrace the challenges, and conquer new summits. Remember to respect the mountains, leave no trace, and always be mindful of the environment. Goodbye for now, and may your mountaineering journey be filled with success, growth, and unforgettable experiences. Farewell, and may your future climbs be nothing short of extraordinary.